Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I am going to solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.3 question number 19 and 20 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question 19 is proof that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equals to tan 2x. After observing the LHO, we find that is these two numerator and denominator are based on the identity sin A plus sin B and cos A plus cos B. If you put the identities expansion of this on the identities, then it will be solved very easily. So we know that solution, we know that sin A plus sin B equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 and cos A plus cos B equals to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. These two identities we have applied in many questions earlier, and so these are very famous identities. So we must learn this, and after applying these two identity in numerator and denominator respectively, we can go ahead, right? So LHS equal to sin x plus sin 3x. Here A is x, B is 3x, so it will be on this line 2 sin x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos A minus B means x minus 3x divided by 2, and this will be divided by cos x plus cos 3x, that will be equal to cos A plus cos B. So we shall write 2 cos A plus B means x plus 3x divided by 2 and cos A minus B, here A is x, B is minus 3x by 2, right? We find that in numerator and denominator these two can be cancelled, and this cos x minus 3x by 2, cos x minus 3x by 2, this part of numerator and this part of denominator can be cancelled. So it will be sin x plus 3x will be 4x by 2 in denominator, cos x plus 3x will be 4x divided by 2. It will be sin 2x, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, x will remain here. Likewise cos 4 divided by 2 will be 2, x will remain here, and we know that sin by cos equal to tan, and angle is 2x at both places, so we shall write 2x, and this is our RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS proved. This was easy question, completely based on identities of sin A plus B and cos sin A plus sin B and cos A plus cos B. This two identity has been applied. If you will apply this two identity, it is very easy to solve it. Next question is 20. Question is prove that sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. This is the question. In this question we see that sin x minus sin 3x means sin A minus sin B. It is on identity, but sin square x minus cos square x has no any identity, but we have one identity, that is cos square x minus sin square x. So since cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x, this identity we have. So at this place, sin square x minus cos square x we will have to bring in this style. So what we will do, if we shall take common minus, then sin square x will be minus, cos square x will be plus. So we shall take LHS solution by taking minus common in numerator and denominator both. So here it will be minus, so it will be minus sin x, because it is plus, minus we have taken, so it will become minus, and this minus has been taken, so it will become plus sin 3x. Likewise, if I shall take minus common, this sin square plus will become minus, and this minus will become plus, because minus has been taken out, so it will be cos square x, right? This can be written as this minus can be cancelled, and so it will be sin 3x plus, sin 3x is plus, minus sin x minus sin x we can write, and at this place cos square x minus sin square x we can write. So cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2x. This came on the identity. So after expanding it, we know that since sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. This identity we shall apply in numerator, and this identity cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. This identity we shall apply in denominator part. Okay, so this will become 3x minus sin x will be 2 cos A plus B, means 3x plus x divided by 2 into sin A minus B, means 3x minus x by 2 divided by, this became cos square x minus sin square x. We can write here cos 2x. Here cos 2x is equal to sin square x minus cos square x minus sin square x. So at the place of cos square x minus sin square x, we can write cos 2x. Right? It will become 2, 3x plus x will be cos 4x divided by 2, sin 3x minus x will be 2x by 2 by cos 2x, right? Further, 2 cos 2x 4 divided by 2 will be 2, and x will remain here. Again, sin 2x divided by 2 will be simply x divided by cos 2x. This cos 2x will be cancelled, so the remaining part will be 2 sin x, and this is our RHS, right? So we can write hence LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay, if you have liked it, please share and subscribe this channel, support this channel, and if you have any doubt, write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.